Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima Jyoti here. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials at affordable ranges. Okay, so today we have come up with silk blend sarees. Okay, it's all semi-silk sarees, Kanchi style. So these are priced at 1500, 1500. Shipping is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu for singles and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available for all my products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra to the total product cost in the shipping charges. Okay, so we have the catalog, WhatsApp catalog listed. Okay, all the available collections will be updated regularly in my WhatsApp catalog. The catalog link, direct link, was also mentioned in the description. So you can you can have a check on all the collections if you are interested. Okay, so you can check the collections, take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I'm repeating 9150556870 for all the orders and inquiries. Okay, so the WhatsApp details and also the catalog link details, everything mentioned in the description. Have a look on it. So we will go with the products now. So all of them are silk blend sarees, Kanchi silk blend sarees. If there is any video blurring, just let me know, because in the previous session it seems that we had some network issue and there was some video blurring. So please let me know if there is any such case occurring. Okay, all these are Kanchi silk blend sarees. Okay, so this saree is purple shade with silver zari work. All of them are priced at 1500. Okay, this is the body part. It's a purple shade with silver work coming. Okay, in both the sides we have the same size border and also the same kind of a design along with the embossed and the butta work. These are all, this is silver zari. Okay, and the pallu I will show you now. Very rich pallu for all the sarees. It's a green color, purple with green combination with silver zari work. In the videos there might be slight color variation due to the resolution and the tube light work. Okay, so we will be posting the pictures as well after the live is done after some time. So you can have a look on the actual colors in the pictures. We try to give you the best color as much as possible in the images as well. So this is the first saree. It's a purple with green with silver zari work, priced at 1500. All the sarees which I am going to show today is all 1500. Okay, shipping is extra. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 for all the orders and inquiries. We will be sharing you the real pictures also for all the crucial colors before the order. So this is how the saree will be looking. All of them are silk blend sarees, exact replica of the pure silk sarees. Okay, so this is the first saree, purple with green, a very lovely color. Very nice fabric, very quality. The fabric quality will be very good. So please take the screenshot. I will again show you the blouse piece. The blouse piece has the embossed design along with the double side border. So this is the blouse piece. Okay, purple with green, priced at 1500. I'm moving to the next one now. So the next one is a cream color, cream with blue color. This is how the dress, design will be looking. Some sarees will have the folding difference, some sarees will have the normal folding. Okay, so this is the body part. You have a cream color, dark cream color with blue shade. Okay, and along with small tiny buttas in all over the body. So this is a full saree body and a very rich pallu. So this is how the pallu will be. It's a violetish blue color, very grand pallu, and also the blouse comes in the same color. Okay, it has a dual tone of a blue and violet. Okay, this is the blouse piece, a small embossed design along with the golden zari border in both the ends. So in both the ends you have the border. And this is the pallu, and the saree is in cream color. This is the second one. All the sarees are priced at 1500. In video there might be some color variation possible due to the resolutions. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me for the details. We will be welcome to share you all the real pictures and all the necessary details as well. So this is the next one. A lovely color, green color Most of the person, mostly in silk sarees, we will be always searching for the green color. How many green colors we have? Still we will go with the green color first. So this is the next one. A very lovely and simple design as well. So this is the body part. It's green color, dark green shade. You have the border a little different here. So the top size, a top border will have a medium size. Okay, this is the zari work given in the top, and the bottom is like this. Okay, a little bigger than the top border. So this is the body part, and a very rich pallu. So this is the pallu, a golden zari pallu. The borders will be a little different coming in the pallu, and the blouse piece in the dual shade of a purple and green. Okay, this is the blouse piece. The saree border has the dual shade of green and purple as well. Okay, the saree has the purple tone, so you get the pallu and the blouse piece in the same shade of a dual one. Okay, purplish and with green. So this is the next saree, a green with purple, a very very lovely design. Okay, the fabric is silk blend. Price it 1500. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. Shipping is extra for all the products. So this is the next one, a fluorescent green color. Okay, fluorescent green. Some person is asking for fluorescent green, so I just brought the same shade. So this is how the design will be there. Okay, a fluorescent green with brownish orange combination. So this is the pallu. You have a copperish orange shade here. A very rich pallu, and the blouse is also coming in the same shade with embossed design similar to the body part. So this is the blouse piece. So this is the full look of the saree. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 for all the orders and enquiries. This is a fluorescent green color. Okay. So the next one is again a steel blue color. Okay, giving a greyish tone. Again a double tone saree with green color border. Okay, very lovely combination. So this is how the body will be looking. It's a steel blue with green combination. Okay. And this is a pallu. And self blouse. Okay. Same color blouse with the borders. Okay. So this is how the saree will be looking. I'm just showing you the full look of the saree. So this is, just a minute. This is the full look of the saree. It's a steel blue color with green border. All the sarees are priced at 1500. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping charges. So this is the next one, a dark mango yellow with grey combination, a different combination again. So this is a body part. You have the peacock chakra body. Okay, a mango yellow color with grey combination. So this is the body part, pallu. A very different fancy design coming in the pallu, a grey tone, and the blouse piece comes in the same shade of a pallu, grey color with embossed design as similar to the saree. So this is the full look of the saree. So it's a mango yellow with grey, a different color combination. The fabric will be very very good. Okay, it will be exact replica of all the silk sarees, pure silk sarees, coming in the affordable ranges. The price is just 1500. Shipping is extra. Shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available for all the products. So this is the next one. It's a half white color with pink combination. So this is the body part, a cream color. In video there might be some color variation coming due to the resolution. So this is the body part. You have the buttas all over the body, and the pallu is a dark rani pink color. Cream with rani pink regular combination. Piece coming with small embossed design and the border in rani pink shade. Okay. So this is the full look of the saree. The quality is very, very premium. Okay, the quality will be very, very good. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 for all the orders and inquiries. So this is the body part. This is how the body will be looking. Sorry guys, there seems some network issue again. Hope you can able to see the video now. Just let me know if the video is disconnected. Okay. I hope the video has been reconnected now. Okay, this is the next one. Kunguma color la. The traditional color combination. So kungumam red color with orange combination. This is the body part. A traditional design. So this is the pallu, giving an orangish tone, and the blouse piece giving the red and orangish tone. Okay, so this is the full look of the saree. This is the full look of the saree. Please take the screenshot for all the orders and enquiries. So this is the body part. Once again I am showing you the body part. So moving to the next one now. So the next one is a sky blue with pink color combination. So this is the body part, a simple embossed design with a rich border. So this is how the saree will be looking, a very rich border, and pallu as well. A simple body part, okay, sky blue with pink color. And the pallu in pink. And the blouse piece is also in the pink. Okay, this is the blouse piece with the borders. Okay, this is the full look of the saree. So my WhatsApp number I am repeating, it's 9150556870. So please take the screenshot and share us in the WhatsApp for all the orders and inquiries. We will be posting the pictures with the real color as much as possible. So you can refer to the pictures as well in our page. So this is the next one. Rama green color with purple tone border. Just a minute. A dark pink pallu and blouse. Okay. So this is the body part. When you drape these sarees, it will look very elegant and exact replica of the silk sarees. This will look exact replica of the Kanchi silk sarees. Okay. So this is a pallu, a very rich pallu, pink color pallu, and the blouse piece is in pink. Okay. So this is the blouse piece. You have the small embossed design in the blouse as well, along with the borders. So it's a Rama green color. Hope this color will always come different in the video and the pictures. So it's not blue color, it's a green color. Okay, this is a Rama green color. So this is the body part. Okay. The fabric quality will be very good. So this is the last saree. Okay, a dark brownish shade. So this is how the saree will be looking, a dark brownish shade with gold zari work, and the pallu is also coming with the golden tissue, and the blouse piece coming in the pink color. Okay, so this is the last saree. This is how the saree will be looking. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. Please refer with the pictures as well, which we will be posting in our page after some time. Like our page, share our videos. Okay, so keep shopping with us, keep motivating us. So Navaratri is almost going to be started in next week, so we will be coming up with some exciting offers as well. So stay tuned for all the updates. Please like and follow my page so that we will be getting all the updates regularly. So these sarees are priced at 1500. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available for all the products. You can check all the collections in my WhatsApp catalog. The link is also mentioned there. You can check my profile. So there will be the catalog field listed. So if you don't want to go with the link, you can directly refer with my profile as well. So COD available for all the products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra to the total product and the shipping charges. So these are the collections. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.